Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it is Thursday night, the 19th of May. These are the charts of the day. There's quite a few stocks that are looking good on our board here today, and let's take a look at a couple of them. If you look at Amarin, which had been consolidating very nicely after this big pop-up here for the last month, today it popped to $1.33 as volume surged a little bit. If you take a look at the volume, you'll see the difference here. It was the heaviest volume in about 3.5 weeks, and here's the pop. If we can get any kind of follow-through tomorrow, I think the stock has a chance of running, and maybe we'll see something in the low 20s short term. That's my trading target. Let's call it 22. We had a pop today on Accelerate Technologies, AXK. Note the January-February run-up that took it from under $1 to nearly $6. A huge 5-6-fold move here was followed by this consolidation, which we often see. In any case, this coiling pattern, very light, tight, quiet, narrow apex here was broken today with a pop of 69 cents or 18.5%. And you'll also see that the volume picked up to the best volume level in about 6 weeks as well. So perhaps we get a follow through. We'll be watching this one carefully. Move through here, and we should see 570 short term, secondary target near 7. CBST Cubist, similarly to Amarin, broke out of a consolidation range, popped 78 cents or just 2.2%, but volume accelerated. You can see the heaviest volume since about 4 weeks as well, and at this point it looks like it may be pulling away from the consolidation pattern and can accelerate. Although I have a secondary target around 44, my near-term target is 40, 39.40 zone. Up next is GLUU Mobile, GLUU. That accelerated sharply today on 6.5 million shares. That's the second heaviest volume we've seen this year, and with a pop of 69 cents or 20%. We could very well see a test and take out of this level tomorrow up around the 440-45 area, which should lead quickly to 5-5-10 area. Through that, my trading target is 7. That's more of an intermediate target perhaps, but we'll see if we can get it. Imperial Sugar, IPSU, which broke out here a few days ago, kept running and has been working its way higher. It is about to reach this resistance zone and my target in the 17.5, 18.5 zone. I expect that to be reached and maybe breached, and move up towards 19.75, 19.5, 20, let's call it our target. MAKO, which we featured for the last couple of sessions, continues to move higher. The pop 2 days ago was followed by yesterday's breakout and today's follow through. I'm looking for a move to 32.5, 33 short term on MAKO. Big move today for PetSmart on big earnings, gapped up and ran hard. It was up 320 or 7.5% on 4.9 million. But if we step back and look at the overall chart pattern, you'll see this is a multi-year high, and at this point I can see higher levels, perhaps as high as 50 to 52 short term. Big day today and a follow-through session for Soda. Yesterday was the big day, and today with some further announcements, the stock, as you can see, broke out with a gap, breakaway gap, and big volume run yesterday, up another 246, but about almost $4, 3 3/4 off the low today, and closing right near the session highs going away. At this point, I'm setting a target at 60 to 62 short term, 72 to 75 intermediate term. SREV, after popping out of the little pennant yesterday, had an inside day today, but a positive one, up 40 cents. And I'm looking for this to accelerate. If we can get through the 20-30 area, I think we can see 22, 23 on the stock. Take-Two Interactive Software, one of our swing trades, which popped and broke out the other day, had an inside day yesterday. Today edged up another 34 cents, but it appears to me it wants to move higher. If we can get this up over the 760-70 area, I'm looking for a move up towards the 19.5, 20 zone, and a secondary target around 22. TowerStream, TWER, after popping last week and then consolidating for the majority of the last several sessions, today broke out across key resistance at 476 here, and is moving up to test the February spike high around 509. A move through that gets us to our target up around 6 short term. That's my target for TowerStream. And that is your charts of the day for Thursday. Speak to you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend.